Hello again and welcome to We Love Your English. This is your step number 9 and you are in the reading section, okay? This is your step number 10, the moment where we are. And this is your second class with the teacher, your second teaching class, your second correction and checking lesson. And let's go for it. In this time we are dealing with a text and it's about the e-games, video games that people play every day, okay? And the way they can improve. We can relate these games to sports, if it's true or not, this fact, and so on. Okay, first of all, let's start with the vocabulary. In the first paragraph, the introduction. Some people criticize video games. Some people don't like. Some people say bad words about video games. That is, criticize. And they criticize video games because they make people overweight. They make people have more weight, put on some weight. So people with problems with the weight, people who should eat healthier or people who should practice sports and so on. But some people consider that video games can change us for the better. It's important to use this structure. This expression is quite useful. And it means that nos pueden cambiar a mejor. Sería algo así en español. They can improve both our mind and our body. Both is important. It refers to two different things at the same time. Puede mejorar ambas, las dos cosas, our mind and our body. So the first or second paragraph, the way the e-games improve your body. When people play games, if you remember, play games like Wii games, such as Super Mario, for example, they can help us develop physical skills. Develop is a word that we have mentioned before, and it's mejorar, desarrollar our physical skills, our abilities, our physical abilities. Games like, for example, flight simulators, okay? Simuladores de vuelo. The vision is improved with this sort of video game. Sort is, for example, I suppose you understand all the sentence and you can change sort of video games and you can write instead types of video games, kinds of video games, tipos de videojuegos, sort of video games. This sort of comments is not good for me. Este tipo de comentarios no es bueno para mí, por ejemplo. Video games, if you remember, also improve your mind. They improve your mind. How can video games improve your mind? We have the word besides. Remember, besides, that gives you extra information. Besides has got a synonym here in the same paragraph, which is moreover. Significan los dos además. It's like an introduction. It's a linker that we use to add more information. And we have that e-games improve your body. Besides, e-games can also improve your mind and improve a lot of brain functions, funciones de tu cerebro. For example, making decisions, tomar decisiones. In English, we have the verb make decisions. It's not take decisions, it's make decisions, okay? People who play e-games make decisions faster and they can pay attention to more than 6 things at once, at the same time. At once is like at the same time, without feeling confused. E-games, the last paragraph, is a great way to earn money. Remember that when we make money, we say that we earn money. We don't win money, we earn the money, okay? And we earn money because there are competitions of e-games which are held all over the world. Are held is explained here in this grammar pop-up. It is a passive structure, and held here means celebrated, okay? Celebrated all over the world. That means worldwide, any place of the world where you travel. And increases, it gives you more chances. It's a word which means aumenta año tras año. Some TV channels are keen on broadcasting. Keen on means estar interesado en. So e-games is a good way to earn money, and because a lot of TV channels are keen on broadcasting these events live. Broadcasting, emitir estos eventos live, okay? and Vivo. So maybe in the future you will be a famous e-gamer. Okay, so after all this vocabulary work, we have to finish our comprehension. And remember, you can take the same sentence from the text, but if you make a little change, that will help you improve your English. So we have a comprehension like this one. We have 4 ideas. Some people don't like video games because they think they make people more antisocial and overweight. However, sin embargo, according to scientists, they can change this for the better. Aquí uso esta expresión que me parece interesante. In many different ways. Añado y cambio un poco la frase. From the second paragraph. First of all, they can help us improve our physical skills. How do they make us improve our physical skills? Children who play Wii games can do things such as catch, kick, or throw. Los niños que juegan videojuegos de la Wii pueden hacer cosas tales como such as catch, kick, or throw a ball better than people who don't play this sort of games. Recuerda sort of, ahí está incluido. The third paragraph about the way e-games improve your mind is because you can make decisions faster, okay? If you play games like Call of Duty, if you play games, si tú juegas a juego, como el Call of Duty. And we finish. Remember, there are competitions held all over the world. TV channels are broadcasting these competitions live. I include the same structure from the text. So who knows? We could be famous and rich in the future just playing video games. You can change this could and you can introduce may. We may be famous in the future. We may be famous in the future just playing video games. So good luck with your next steps and see you